Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. In this video, we are going to learn our new lesson. What is our new lesson? Classification of syllables. Classification of syllables. So first one, what is the first one? Open syllable. Open syllable. What is the meaning of open syllable? A syllable which ends with a vowel is known as open syllable. So it usually the vowel has a long sound. A long vowel. Usually it has a long vowel. I is, open syllable. Why? Because it is called open syllable. Why? Because it is, first of all, it is vowel and it is not occupied, or it is not, what I can say, it does not have any consonant here. So I, it is a vowel and long vowel. Similarly, I can give you example, she. So in this word has SHE. So here last letter is, what is the last letter? Last letter is vowel. That is the reason it is open syllable. It is known as open syllable. I can give you many examples. For example, if I write he, also we have he, long vowel sound, long vowel, and it is, what I can say, open syllable. There is no letter. There is no other consonant is here. Only HE, he. Last letter is vowel, long vowel. Usually it has long vowel. So here words, these type of words, they have long vowel. Now he, we can give example we also. Okay, here also same. We, W, after consonant, what is here? Here is consonant C, and here after C we have V, vowel. So vowel is there. So same thing, vowel last, what I can say, it, these words end with vowel, long vowel. Okay, so I can give you many example. For example, go, G-O. So go, consonant and vowel, long vowel. Open means long vowel. Open syllable means a syllable with a single vowel. Single vowel. What is a single vowel? Here, O. And it is long vowel. Okay. Next one, so. I can give you many examples. So is also there. S, after S, O is there. So it is a single, what I can say, a syllable with a single vowel. Okay. One beat only. One vowel means one sound. So it is a long vowel. Usually these type of words, they have long vowel. No, so you can get idea about it. No, also it has, what I can say, last only one syllable is there. No, one beat or one sound, and it has single vowel, and that is also long vowel. Long vowel, single vowel. Okay, where can we find open syllable? Let us learn location of open syllable. So here E is actually which syllable? Open syllable. Sound, long vowel sound, we have equal is another one. So here equal, and I can give you many examples of what I can say, this type of, So here one, I will write one, and here two. So two syllables are there. E, long vowel, and is there any consonant here? No. So it is completing by itself. The syllable is completing by itself. The E sound, long E sound. So it is open syllable. Now I can give you many examples. Equator. Here also same thing. E sound. So here you can notice E. So this one is, what can we say? How many? One, quater. Three are there. Three syllables are there. But the first syllable is, what can we say? Open syllable. We are focusing on open syllable. E sound, long vowel sound, and it is not, accompanied with any consonant. So E itself giving the long vowel sound, and it is making one syllable. So it is open syllable. So I can give you many examples. For example, if I write basic, B-A-S-I-C, basic. So here you can notice here basic. So basic. Here also you can find out. So first syllable, So it is giving a long a sound, and this is a long a sound. But sick, it is a short syllable, short vowel sound. Short vowel sound. Here we have long vowel sound. Basic. So bay, it is open syllable. Bay is open syllable. China, chai, chi, chai, na, China. Here also you can say chai, chi, chai. You know, it is giving one syllable. This syllable is giving I, long I sound, chai. So you can say this is open syllable. Okay, N is with A, not I. Chai, first syllable is completing one beat and it is giving long sound. That is the reason it is open syllable. So China is there. Human, hue, H-U, hue, M-A-N, man, human. So you can notice that in human also we have, what is it? Long vowel sound. Okay, U is giving the U long U sound or long vowel sound, and it is completing one beat here. It is completing the U, H-U, both the letters are completing one beat, and U is, after that, after U, there is no, what I can say, no need of any consonant. So it is completing itself here. By itself, it is completing one beat or one syllable. So it is long vowel sound. That is the reason it is open syllable. These words end with vowel, last vowel, long vowel. Okay, single vowel, last or single vowel. Okay, a syllable with a single vowel. So I can give you many. Human. So here short vowel sound and long vowel. So this is open syllable, and I can give you many examples. If I write lady, L-A, lady. So here also this one is open syllable. Lay. Word lay, the syllable lay is giving long vowel beat and it is completing itself. So lay is open syllable and D is a short vowel. Oh, lady. Here lady, and I can give you many examples. Legal. So here in legal also you can find out, you can easily understand that it's completing one beat, and also it is a long vowel. So long vowel and completing one beat or one syllable, it is called open syllable. Okay. Community. So here you can notice that mu is giving the long vowel and it is completing itself without any consonant. Mu, community. So here mu is a long vowel and it is completing itself. That's the reason it is called open syllable. So I can give you so many examples. So navy also, you can notice that long a sound. Okay, long a sound, navy. So here this is completing one beat or one syllable. That is the reason it is open syllable. Navy. You can easily notice that. Pay, it is long a sound. The syllable is here completing the syllable. PA is completing syllable and long with a long a sound. That is the reason it is open syllable, because it is completing here. The sound is completing here. That is the reason. There is no need of any other consonant. Next one, I can give you, for example, if I write secret, S-E-C-R-E-T, secret. Here also you can notice easily, S-E is giving the long sound and it is completing one beat or one vowel, one syllable, and it is long beat, and it is ending with what? Single vowel ending with single vowel, and it has long beat. Second thing, and third thing, to complete its beats, it does not require any consonant. That is the reason it is open syllable. You can understand and you can notice that few long U sound. This syllable is giving long U sound. First thing. Second thing, it does not require any consonant to complete its beat. Okay, and it is ending in long U. That is the reason it is open syllable. So I can give you many examples. For example, label, L-A-B-E-L, label. So lay, long sound, completing one beat. Here also example, label. So this is open syllable because it is completing one beat or one syllable, with syllable which is ending with a long vowel. Okay, so I can give you so many examples. For example, lazy, L-A-Z-Y, lazy. So lazy, here also same, you can notice open syllable, lazy. And if I write spider, spider here, spy, you can understand, you can notice that spy word, it is giving long I sound, spy. So it is open syllable. Why? Because it is giving long sound and it is not taking, or it does not require any consonant to complete its beat. Okay, that is the reason it is open syllable. So I can give you so many examples. Meter, 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 meter. So meter, here also we have me sound. Okay, I can give you many more examples. Let me wrap this one. For example, Roman word has, you can, one beat and two beat, and means two syllables, but the first syllable is open syllable because long sound. First thing, long vowel, it is ending with long vowel and it does not require any consonant to complete its sound. That is the reason it is open syllable. Roman. So one more example, silent. You can get idea of silent, S-I. It is giving I, long I sound, silent. So it is open syllable. I can give you, some more examples. For example, if I write tomato. This last syllable is, giving the long sound, and it is not, occupied with any consonant here. Consonant letter is not here, and it is long vowel, ending with long vowel. Okay, that is the reason this syllable is known as open syllable, tomato. Okay, similarly we can get examples, more example, volcano. Volcano also has three beats, three syllables, but the last syllable is giving long vowel sound, and it is a long, what can we say, it is not accompanied with any consonant. The last letter is, which letter is there? O is giving long vowel O, and since it is giving long vowel O and it is not accompanied by any consonant, that is the reason it is open syllable. So we can check here, at the beginning, location of open syllable. At the beginning, you can see two examples here. At the beginning we can get the open syllable. It can be in the middle of the word also. You can see here, community, mu. Here also in the middle of the word we can get open syllable, and last also, last also we can get the open syllable. So here tomato, so here last one is open syllable. Here also volcano, open syllable. So I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a great day.